Hello, I am Mari, welcome to my channel. And right when I was creating this, and you will be seeing this animation soon in my channel, right when I was creating this, I got the update of Procreate Dreams. So now I will show you what is new in Procreate Dreams. For that, I would like to start a new movie, because one of the new things is that in the frames per second, you can change to a custom number. That's one of the new things. You can do it here while before starting, and also after starting your animation. Let's start with 12 in an empty track, and now in an empty one we cannot draw. Before, when you press drawing, and let me select one brush here. When you start drawing and create this type of drawing, it will, this is too wait, okay. It will completely fill the timeline, which was very annoying for me. Now it starts drawing in only one frame, which is very useful. And by double tapping here, you get the plus button and you can continue. Don't forget to turn on your onion skins here on the clock so you can see what is happening before. And this is very bright. Okay, another thing that is new, let me erase all this, and I really love this new thing. Let me add some color here, and I will be drawing with green. Okay, so let's say we have this very contrast drawing, and then on this ball we want to place something. So we go here and add a new layer that we knew before, but now we can create a clipping mask with this. And what that means, let me take off the clipping mask. If you don't know the clipping mask from Procreate, let me show you how it works. So let's say in this top layer, you draw on top of this. So when you press clipping mask, you will only select the area you were drawing before. So you will only draw on your previous drawing. And one more update that is related to brushes. We still cannot change any brush settings here. You have to import your brushes from Procreate, but they did add a way of adding stabilization. And you go here to the properties of your movie, go to preference, pressure and smoothing. And here you have stabilization, motion filtering expression, and also you can change the pressure sensitivity. I have to try now this curve and compare with the curve I use in Procreate already. In general, I do recommend for you to check this in here and in Procreate, mainly to save the life of the nib of your pencil. And I'm saying this because I have read online in some forums that people complain of the nib wearing off with certain films, like the Paper-like. I use the Paper-like film, and my nib, it hasn't, it has not any trouble actually. I changed it just because it failed, and it fell on the top, and I kind of have some debris here, like metallic debris, and I had to change it. But it was not because of the film and not the way I use it. So if it doesn't fall, then I have my pencil basically very new and the nib for almost 3 years without changing the nib. So I do recommend changing this according to your hands and the way you use the pencil here and in Procreate. So that's it. We have all these new updates, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I'm doing right now. So watch out for other videos about Procreate and Procreate Dreams I'm posting in the recent weeks after Christmas. So I will be on holiday, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year for all of you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.